I am the good boy.
Hey, can I join? Hey, can I join your party?
Sure, it's MV.
There's a sniper trying to get in our base. Get the intelligence.
Oh well, the problem
I
is
got
I'm not friends with the kid.
Do you see my spray?
No.
Oh, it's right next
But look,
to
he
the intel.
can't see the stickies. It's
I know.
brilliant. That's why I love sticky. Sticky spamming is hell no, but sticky chapping. That's it. That
Once
is
again,
tactic.
MV, there's a sniper and a pyro behind you.
Oh crap!
They're on the ledge behind you. Oh, there's a... You gotta kaboom him. You gotta kaboom him.
I got him! Oh crap.
What?
I wasn't paying attention that they got our intel. Oh, I love that music.
You failed. The enemy has secured our intelligence.
We failed, men. They're coming. Ah, that's a heavy.
Can you maybe switch to engineer?
Okay, look at you.
You need a man with a heart here, and also.
Who else is here?
No one
doesn't work for free-to-play WM1.
No one has joined the chat. Oh well, someone's left. But...
You're just sitting there. Is it just
Oh,
weird? Does
thank
the
goodness.
Ironwood Mark II shotgun almost look like a Rescue Ranger?
Oh, thank goodness the kid's gone. Alright. You know, we'll just like not edit anything. Edit this part is officially out, you know.
I will not.
Need metal. There we go.
I'm not a WM1 pirate.
He really is, isn't. $19.30 points.
Yep.
What?
Guys, I need help. I'm trapped.
Oh.
What?
Wait, where are you trapped?
I just got killed.
Oh.
Did the one that was not the hacker get banned?
Yeah, he got banned. Well, we both kicked him.
What?
We both kicked the hacker off.
But where's... Oh, never mind. Okay, it just gave me a second that you got kicked. I'm breaking into their side again. Okay.
Why both kick this person?
What did I press that
Oh.
on that?
Why? Are you serious? Are we? Did he try to low kick him just because he was a furry?
Yep.
He says he's a furry in his name. That is no excuse for a low kick.
Oop, we got people trying to meme. I'll give him a taste of the old urine in a jar. Also, where even are you?
I'm in the intel room, guarding the intel.
Okay. Showed you on the enemy intel.
I got a sentry, I got the speedster, I got it. Oh, except the teleporter, but I'm not really sure how the teleporter works in this map. If only Alien Assassin.
Try not
was
to
on the chat.
W1 because that's a cheap tactic, and I don't want to be cheap.
Oh yeah. Are you kidding me?
Bale, you're assisting people. That's how.
Where's that sniper? No.
You're doing something right. That's for sure.
Oh, the thing. What do you think? A sniper team, just this random sniper destroying with teleporter. This is why I kind of don't build teleporters out. It's a pain in the rear to try to rebuild it if one side gets destroyed. Heck, there are most times so no one even uses them. See? Yes. That guy just basically just sniped my teleport.
This guy just quick scoped me. I don't know whether to be afraid or amazed.
I'm annoyed.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay dedicated to.
Ah!
I'm trying
What
not.
happens when you mess with. I really like the stock shot.
The sniper's just watching us.
The only problem I'm having with the stock shotgun is random bullet spread. If Valve could fix that, then the shotgun would be great.
Stock shotgun?
Yeah.
I use the panic attack, so I don't know what pain you go through. They quite are, but they are quite unfair about it. Oh wait, he can't hear me, I'm dumb.
Yeah, you really can't. I mean, you could tell them in the chat.
Don't Uber me. That one boy who just says don't Uber me. That's a true soldier. Oh, I hear an echo. Flanking from
I
behind.
now kind of wish that we ended up on the King of the Hill.
That smoke's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
On the King of the Hill instead of the CPF. It's not really much to do right now.
Medic! Medic, do you have a crossbow?
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
At least I distracted them a bit. Even
Hey,
though that
searching
they
for
were.
that nut. Come here, Alex, I want to show you something really funny. You and I have the exact same scatter gun, but mine has like a few more kills on it. But it's exactly the same otherwise.
I was more
What is
focused
wrong?
on the mini sentry than the actual human.
What's wrong with my volume? I cannot hear anyone in the in-game chat,
I don't know.
voice chat.
Can you hear me in it?
Well, no. I obviously can hear you in the group chat, but in in-game chat, no. I even hear. I think I might want to mess around with the volume settings again if I want to see any results. Boy.
Where is their sentry? Oh, there's a sentry. Yes! 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 Go, furry boy, go!
I need 2 more stars to finally unlock this one contract, so you get some really good stuff.
Hey, did it.
Ah.
Good
You are
job,
not
Spy.
retard.
Got the short circuit.
I'm at 1 HP. This is the code red. This is the code dead. You are not retard. You are good for it. Oh, I thought you were gonna walk into that. Oh, you're using the short circuit. Da, da, da. Oh, we got a fat scout.
Why do all y'all's names
Yeah.
look just terrible? Why?
What?
What?
Not yours. Just
What?
you look at who's typing so
I just like
demons.
I just like launched a random short circuit sphere.
What?
I forgot this. I forgot my panic attack kill streak.
I hope they fixed
Denied.
that.
This scout was just trying to jump over here, and I just denied him all access.
Oh go.
I'm just taunting. God, I love when players are just, no, don't do that to me. Yeah, that's a true boy. Ooh, yes.
Head down. What the hell? I was not.
People miss a lot in this.
Yeah.
That's a revved up heavy. I'm gonna go. Beat him! Close. Oh, that heavy was just sitting there. I got a crit on him in a normal hit. I was so close to getting a kill on him. He was just a revved up heavy sitting there. He didn't notice me until I got the crit on him. Do we have anyone guarding our intel?
Probably not.
Well,
That's fair.
come on. Yes! My sentry bot time. I might just help us win the game.
Ooh.
Go, Spy, go!
That was not fair.
Well, you know what they say, Simon. All's fair.
Hot darn in the city.
Victory.
Here we go.
I
got one.
You want to vote for a different map?
I already clicked Sawmill.
I'm gonna go for that forest map. I had good memories. of that
Landfall?
map there my first play days. When I first played Get good times.
Alright. I got this clip.